Got a TikTok that's too good to keep to yourself? Repost in just a few taps. Here's how. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to repost video on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the TikTok app on your screen and make sure you are logged into your account. Scroll through your For You page to find a video you want to share, or use the search bar at the top if you have a specific video or creator in the mind. Now select the video. You can repost any public video as long as the creator has not disabled sharing. Once you find the video, tap the share button, and this will open a menu with multiple options. In the sharing menu, look for the repost option. It's typically displayed with a yellow icon that says repost. Tap the repost button. TikTok allows you to add comment after you repost the video. Tap the pencil icon that appears after you repost. Share why you love the video, tag your friends or add emoji. And tap the add button. Your repost is now live. If you change your mind, go back to the video you reposted and tap the share button again. Select the remove repost from the menu and the repost will be removed. So this is how to repost videos on TikTok. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.